What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your headlights on a Chrysler Voyager. It's probably the same about the 2020 to about 2024. All you got to do, I'm working on the passenger side. You come right here, you'll have like a little lid. You just basically want to spin that off just like that. And once you do that, if you kind of look inside of here, you'll have your light bulb. And all you got to do is just turn it to the side. And once you do that, if you can see right here, it'll be out. It'll come out like that. You just kind of want to pop up on the little connection like that, and it'll be out. This is the bulb that you're going to need right here to put into this 2020-2024 Chrysler Voyager. When you get done, you just want to basically plug it back up, your new one. Make sure you also don't touch the bulb with your bare hands, because if you do, it can make the bulb burn out quick. You just want to put it back into the opening. You'll feel like when it's all the way in there, then you just want to basically spin it in. And then once you do that, all you got to do now is just go ahead and take the lid and put it back on, and you'll be done. All right, once again, this is how you would change out your headlights on a Chrysler Voyager from about the 2020 to the 2024. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.